brainless, bankrupt politicians who want to create barriers, who want to erect roadblocks. I want to tell them the reason why we have national schools is because we wanted to break down the barriers of colonialism and ethnicity. And we will not allow no politician, however desperate they may be, however bankrupt they may be, to erect new boundaries for our children. We want our children to learn in every institution that is available to them in Kenya. Especially our national schools must have access to all the children of Kenya equally. In any case, all those schools have been built using resources from the government of Kenya, especially the national schools. So, mimi nataka niwaeleze, we will not allow anybody, however insane, however mad, however desperate, however tribal they may be, to balkanize our children. Our children will go to school because we are one indivisible nation called Kenya. Mimi nawauliza watu wa Nakuru.
Na thutha wa riboti ĩyo tũkwamba tũikĩrie oro